Everyone, in today's video, we will fix the MacBook Air M4 and M4 Pro black screen issue and would not turns on. So here is how easily you can fix the problem. So the step one is to you can simple force restart your MacBook. So to force restart, you will see here on your keyboard the power button located, the touch ID button in the top right corner. You can press this button and then hold for up to 20 seconds until your MacBook M4 will be turns into black. Okay, the screen turns into black. Now the screen turns into black. Now you can simply remove your hands from it and then wait for more 10 to 15 seconds until your Mac will be completely shut down. You will see a small reflection on the screen. And then once it will completely shut down, now you can again press this button once to turn on it. Okay, and now you will find that the black screen issue will be fixed. Okay, so if still you are facing the same kind of issue, like it would not turn on, app stuck, and the black screen, now you can enable the safe mode. So firstly, you can unlock it, then you can use it, and still you are facing same issues. Now you can simple turn on this safe mode. To turn on safe mode, again you can shut down by pressing this button, or if it's working your screen and your Mac slightly, now you can shut down manually by simple going to the settings. Okay, like this. And now wait for some times for 10 more seconds. Then the MacBook will be completely shut down. Now to boot in a safe mode, you can press the touch ID button and then hold it for 10 seconds until the options window, boot options will be available. So you can press and hold it. Don't remove your hands from it. Keep holding for startup options. And now it will loading the startup options. So keep holding. You will see on my screen. And now the startup options will be available. Now you can simply remove your hands from it. Here you will see two options. First one is your macOS HD. On your case, here the name of the MacBook, sorry, the disk is the macOS HD. I changed the name of my disk. That's why the name is available here. In your case, it will macOS HD. And second one is the options. So you can simple tap on macOS HD and now holding the shift button. Okay, like this. You can simple press the shift button and hold. Here you will find a button to continue into a safe mode. Then you can simple tap on it. Now your Mac will be restart and then the safe mode will be enabled. Once the safe mode will be enabled, here you can use your MacBook as usual. Okay, and if your MacBook is work fine here, it means there may be an issue from the third parties or the extensions on your MacBook. Now you can simple disable your safe mode by simple restarting your device. And then once the restart will be completed, you are turns into a normal window where you can simple uninstall the unused or the third party applications. So these are the steps that can help you to fix the problem. Goodbye.